everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be reviewing some Giulia tights, and of course, as always, they have come from the tight spot. So let me show you what they look like, and then I can tell you a little bit about them. So these are the Giulia Like20 denier, Like20 denier sheer tights. So nice and simple. They are currently, so if these are wood, then they are currently on sale on the tight spot for £2.95, which is very, very cheap for a pair of tights. So if they're good, then it's a big recommendation, and I encourage you to go and get them before they sell out. But they are average normal retail price for £6.95, so a little bit more on the expensive side for just a pair of tights in comparison to your supermarkets, that kind of thing. But when you've got one really nice pair, sometimes it sort of outlasts. We'll see what it's like. So I have these in black. They come in black and nude, and they go from a small, medium, large to extra large. And as I like my hosiery to be nice, not tight, comfortable, I have these in an extra large, so we shall see what they are like. So they are a 20 denier. They have flat seams and a lightweight feel and a slight sheen finish, which is nice. It stops it from being completely flat. So we've got the reinforced sort of gusset here, not gusset, actual sort of box brief top to it, as we can just see on the packaging. Packaging absolutely fine, no problem. It looks a little bit, I guess, retro is what we're calling it nowadays. It looks a bit 90s, a bit more old-fashioned than some of the more kind of modern interpretations. The back for me is a little bit busy. There's a lot of information going on. I do like that there's a lot of different languages going on. I think that's, you know, sort of nice and inclusive. However, it seems a lot for sort of one sentence down here. Yes, we can see a little bit of the reinforced detail, this sort of butt area, which is quite nice to just give you that little bit of detail. Obviously your sizing, and a little bit about the composition, wash instructions, and then I think all of this is sort of contact details. So yeah, it's a little bit busy for me, but overall we could definitely do a lot worse. So having a little look at the back, it is basically just says women's classic tights with shorts. So that's obviously the reinforcement at the top. And it says that they are 88% polyamide and 12% elastane. So perfect for me. I love anything that's sort of 10% or more. It means they should have a nice stretch, but also it means that they should kind of keep their shape a bit better as well and fit a bit nicer around the ankle. So let's have a little look. Anything else that we need to hand wash only? That's kind of about it. So I'm going to go ahead and go for it. If I can actually get it open. There we go. So we have the usual cardboardy kind of packaging. It just folds open. And then we have the tights wrapped in the cardboard. There we go, nice and simple. Cardboard is just standard. We've got no upselling there. I think it's transparent, which is sort of really on it with their extra product kind of upselling. So let's have a little look at these. Okay, so first things first, they feel actually really, really soft. These are a 20 denier. I did note on the tight spot that there were some reviews which said that they felt a little bit more like a 10 denier, so we shall see. But as you can see, there's that sort of reinforcement here. So let's start at the top. and have a little look. Let's get them the right way. Let's get them separated from each other. There we go, that way, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So the waistband is very, very soft, actually. Very, very soft waistband. It's a slightly ribbed as well. It seems okay. It's a little bit lumpy. It's definitely like a rolled waistband, as in it's been, you know, rolled over, folded onto itself. And I should imagine because it's then become quite slippery, it does look quite kind of uneven a little bit. And I think that's just because it's going to just sort of roll about. You can sort of see it rolling there, which is fine. That's not an issue at all, but it could end up looking a bit sort of messy and uneven. Flat seams, absolutely. These seams are tiny, tiny, tiny. In actual fact, I think they're the smallest seams that I've ever seen on a pair of tights. You can barely make them out if I just stretch them out a little bit. So yeah, they are very, very small. There's no mention of a gusset, so I'm just going to go ahead and have a quick look. Let me just fold into that area. Yes, there is no gusset at all. So you can actually see where the seam has gone. The seam has actually gone inside because you can see that the thicker kind of look here. So it's very, very thin here. So it's been sewn on a kind of a tucked angle so that actually all of the seam sits inside the tights, which I've never actually had before. So I don't know whether or not that's going to be super comfortable or, yeah, who knows. But as you can see, we've got the reinforced top as well. So there is quite a difference between the reinforced top and the tights. So I would imagine they are maybe more of a 40 denier perhaps. You can see that sort of reinforcement difference there. It's very, very soft. So we shall see. There seems to be an interesting weave to it as well. But as we go down to the legs and the feet, we can actually see that there is a little bit of shaping here. I'll just show you this leg because they're both floating around. Yeah, there's a little bit of shaping on the foot specifically, and I think there's a tiny bit of shaping on the calf, but it's actually quite odd because they're the first pair of tights that I can see that don't actually have straight lines. I don't know if that's because of the way it's packaged and there's a bit of creasing to it, but this side, for example, is kind of wobbly. It doesn't seem to be a straight line. In this section here, it's just not very straight. If I stretch it out, it's not, yeah, it's bizarre to explain, but they're not very straight lines, which is again a little bit odd. But yeah, we've got the foot. I like that it is shaped, and I'm just gonna really carefully, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you the reinforcement on the foot because I think it does have some, she says. Yes. Oh, I actually really like this style of reinforcement, and we have that sort of like double line there, a little bit thicker. I actually really like that. I think that's really nice, little detail there. So yeah, there's quite a wide band of reinforcement there. But yeah, apart from that, we're just a really simple classic pair of 20 denier black nylons. It's going to be very interesting. Off the bat, if I just stretch this over my hand, that is giving me banding vibes. So we shall see when it's stretched out. I still think it's going to band a little bit, but we shall see. £2.95 currently on the tight spot. I'm going to put them on and we're going to see if they're going to be the best classic black nylon bargain of the year, or we're just going to never talk about them again and put them in the bin. So let's go ahead and let's pop them on and let's see. Okay, so I have the tights on, the shoes match, we are all sorted and ready. to have a little look at these. So first things first, they were actually, so to preface, I have very, very long nails at the moment. Ding! And putting on hosiery is a scary prospect, especially when they're a very fine denier as well. So these are the 20 denier. I sort of see what, there was a review on the Tight Spot that said they were a 20 denier, but they felt a little bit more like a 10 denier. I kind of see what they mean by that. They do sort of look a little bit sheerer, feel a little sheerer as well to wear. But they were super easy, even though, you know, the 20 denier are my nails, they were super easy to get on. I didn't really have any problems there, and that's definitely down to the extra 12% elastane makes a big difference. I have these in the XL as well, and I would say they fit me absolutely fine. There's quite a lot of room to them, so I would say these are particularly true to size, and I think that is because of the slightly higher elastane point to them. So have a little look at the size guide on there. Especially the one on the Tight Spot might make a little bit more sense than the packaging one. And yeah, I would probably say, just if you're somebody that sizes up, just size up. But you probably would only need to size up one. If you normally do two, I would just do one. And if you're somebody that likes to just wear them as they are, just get them in your size, because I think there's a lot of give and room and stretch to them. So I think you'd be fine there. So I'm going to show you the feet first, the reinforcement on the toes, because I think that's actually a really nice feature. I think it's super duper pretty. I actually really enjoy the higher sort of band of reinforcement there, but it's quite subtle, which I think is really nice, and obviously it goes all the way onto the underneath as well. But I think they look lovely on the feet. Again, that sort of 20 denier just gives you a little bit more coverage than a 10 can do. So I think the feet look really lovely, and they fit really well around the ankle as well. I've got quite narrow size 5, UK size 5 feet. Perfect, and it is again because of that little bit more elastane, kind of just shapes everything in. So I'll give you a little view of them standing up. I was a little bit worried when I was unpackaging and having a look that they might band a little bit, but actually, let's get that little bit of fluff off. These are actually really great. Round the knee, there's no issues. Obviously, calves and up onto the thighs as well. There's not really too much of an issue in terms of the banding, and at the back as well. Really nice silhouette actually. Really pretty. I actually think they're quite deceptively dark for a 20 denier, and I really personally like that. Sometimes I can be a little bit funny with 10 denier because it tends to give a bit more of a mottled, textured look, but I think these are really lovely. There is a slight bit of banding or a slight bit of texture much higher up, and I'm going to sort of show you that just here, and then obviously I can show you the reinforced band top. So just show you the side here. So you can see there's a little bit of sort of banding there, which obviously isn't a problem because you're not going to be walking around in literally just tights, and then you can sort of see that difference there and the texture of the reinforced sort of top as well. So everything is super duper soft. Looks really lovely. The waistband is actually super comfy. It's tight enough, but not too tight, so you feel like you're held in. It's not going to move anywhere. So yeah, these are actually really quite nice tights for the price. So we're £2.95, and what do we think of them? I personally think they are a bargain at £2.95 currently. Now, when I was looking on the Tight Spot, I did see that most of the sizing was still available as well. That is all the way from the small, medium, large to extra large. And of course they had the nude. I can't speak for, you know, how the nude looks, but the black, really lovely, £2.95. I think that I have tried the sort of supermarket packs before. Obviously they can be around the same price or they can be a bit cheaper, but I would say that these are just a little bit above getting a pack. They're a slightly better quality. They're actually a very specific hosiery manufacturer, so the way they put these together is definitely going to be better. I really like them. I'm going to give them, because I'm always that person, I'm going to give them a, am I going to give them a 10 out of 10 or am I going to give them a 9 out of 10? No, to be fair, I'm going to have to give them a 10 out of 10 for the price that they are. £2.95 currently, they're a bargain. They went on really easy. They're actually very comfortable. They look very nice. There's a nice little bit of reinforcement detail. Yeah, I don't have any issues. The sizing is spot on. You could argue that I could fit into the large, but as we know, I like to go up a bit. So I think, yeah, I think I'm going to give them a 10 out of 10. And if you like the look of them, I would definitely go and check them out on the Tight Spot. £2.95 for a real hosiery brand pair of tights with a lovely reputation. I think it's a complete bargain. And as a little bonus, if you use my code Langford, you will actually get an extra 10% off as well. That does include sale items, so it's even more money off. So yeah, you can definitely go and stock up on a few pairs. I think they're perfect for going out, everyday wear and work wear. I think they've got a really nice silhouette. They're quite light, but also they come across as quite dark, so I think they'd be really good for formal working as well. If you're sort of office and you like, you know, skirts and tights and things, I think they're really appropriate. Super comfy, no itchy, nice and soft. Yeah, so these are the Giulia Like20 denier tights in the black, in the 5XL, in the XL even, for £2.95 on the Tight Spot. So if you like them, I would definitely suggest going and grabbing them, and also you can pick them up in a nude as well. So best of both worlds. But let me know what you think of them in the comments below, and let me know if you actually have these and what you think of them as well. But that is going to be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you all very soon for another one. Bye.